In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a poll on your TikTok video. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app and then right here hit at that big plus sign to start creating a video. Now you can use your camera to record a short video, or you can hit right here at upload to upload some video from your phone's gallery. I'll just check mark one of the videos and then hit on next. Now here, if I want to add a poll to my video, all I have to do is right here hit at that stickers icon, and here I can easily find that poll sticker. I'll just tap on that, and now I'm able to ask a question for my followers. So I can type in here whatever I want. I've just put here "do you like it" text, and also I can correct the answer, so I can hit right here where it says yes, it's by default, and I can change this text in any way that I want. Now when I'm finished here, I can hit on done, and right now I can position that sticker. I can move it around, I can expand it, I can place it wherever I want, and now I can continue editing that video as I normally do. I can add here some text or some effects or whatever, and then once I'm finished, I can hit right here at next and then hit on post to share this video with my followers. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.